this video, I will show you how to create AI animated video with CapCut AI for free. Watch this.
Our story begins in a small town where struggles are heavy and hopes feel fragile. A determined girl named Lena wakes up early each morning, reading her worn books with a dream of becoming a doctor one day. While her classmates laugh at her efforts, her mother encourages her to stay strong. At times, Lena sits alone, crying quietly because her parents cannot afford her school fees. To help, she carries corn to the market, hoping to earn something little. One day, on her way, she noticed a purse filled with cash lying on the ground. She brought it home and gave it to her mother, in case the rightful owner came searching. Faithfully, a man soon arrived asking, and her mother explained, "My daughter found it at the market."
This video was created with CapCut AI, and it is 100% free. You don't need to pay for it. CapCut just launched AI. Hundreds and thousands of people are using it right now, so watch from the beginning till end. We're not enough together. The first step is simple, signing up. You go to CapCut's website, create an account, and download the desktop version. Once installed, open it, and at the top you'll notice an option called AI Video Maker. Click that, and a new workspace opens. Here, you're given two choices: start a project completely from scratch or let the AI generate a quick video for you. For this tutorial, it'll walk you through the process of creating from scratch so you understand how to control each detail. At this point, you'll either paste in a script you already wrote or you can generate one with AI. Let's say you don't have a script yet. Simply click on Create with AI, type your topic, and add key points you want covered. For our example, I might type in a young inventor who wants to solve problems in his village. Then you'll add bullet points like uses old laptop, faces discouragement, creates water filter, enters competition, finds success. The AI will turn those points into a structured story. If you don't like the first draft, you can hit regenerate or highlight a section and choose to improve, shorten, or expand it. This is a powerful way to brainstorm even if you're not a writer. Once you're satisfied, click Use Script, and the text gets locked in as the narration foundation. With the script ready, it's time for the voiceover. On the right side, you'll see options for avatars and voices. If you want an animated host, you can pick from the three options. The first is AI-generated media, which lets you create images based on your script. You choose an aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, and select a style. It could be cartoon, realistic, 3D, or painterly. Since we want consistency, we'll stick with one style throughout. Apply to all scenes, and CapCut generates images for each line of the script. They may look low quality at first in the editor, but once exported they're clear and professional. The second option is uploading your own images or clips, and the third is browsing stock media. If you have specific footage, you can drop it in, but for beginners the AI generation is often enough. Now, let's pause and go back to our story. Remember Aiden, the boy with the broken laptop? Imagine we type prompts describing him into the AI generator: teenage boy, dusty village, tinkering with wires. Each time, the tool gives us an image of him that looks consistent across scenes. Later, when the script mentions him traveling to the city, we type, young boy with backpack riding a crowded bus. Again, the AI produces a matching image. Scene by scene, we build his journey visually. This is how a story that once only lived in text becomes a moving, watchable video. Once visuals are in place, it's time for elements. Click on the Elements section and decide what you want the AI to add. For example, you can allow subtitles, transitions, sound effects, or stickers. I recommend turning off stickers to keep it professional, but leave sound effects and captions on. Set intensity to medium so the effects are balanced, not overwhelming. Click Apply, and suddenly your video has timed subtitles and occasional ambient sounds. If something feels off, like a sound effect that doesn't match, you can adjust it later in manual editing. Music comes next. Every good video needs background music to set the mood, but it should never drown the narration. CapCut's library has plenty of free tracks. Search by keywords like cinematic, calm, uplifting, or mystical for Aiden's story. We might choose an inspiring instrumental that grows as his journey unfolds. Once added, adjust the volume to around 20 to 30% so it sits beneath the voiceover. Always remember, voice first, music second. Viewers must understand every word. Now we move into refining. Click Edit More, and the project loads into the full desktop editor. Here you'll see your timeline with narration, music, sound effects, captions, and images. This is where you add polish. Start by reviewing each transition. If a scene cuts too abruptly, drag in a dissolve or slide effect. Then look at the captions. Make sure they align with your brand style. Change font, size, and color if needed. Next, consider animating some of the images. Right-click on an AI-generated picture, open the AI animation tool, and describe what the character should do. For example, boy adjusting wires on a circuit board. Within minutes, the still image becomes a short video clip with movement. Insert it back into the timeline, and suddenly your story feels alive. In our example, we could animate Aiden boarding the bus, sketching diagrams, or presenting his invention. These touches break the monotony and keep viewers watching. But remember, you don't need to animate every single scene. Strategic animation, just a few seconds at key points, makes the entire video feel dynamic without requiring endless credits or processing time. Sound design is another detail that elevates your video. Browse the sound effects library for ambient noises that match your scenes. For the village setting, add birds or distant chatter. For the city, layer in car horns or footsteps. For the workshop, drop in links. Keep the volume subtle so they enhance the environment without distracting. Place them on the timeline carefully to sync with the narration. Once everything looks and sounds polished, it's time to export. Click Export. Choose resolution. 1080p is fine for most people, but if you want maximum sharpness, go for 4K. Name your file clearly, select the folder, and hit Export. Depending on your computer, it may take a few minutes. When it's done, you now have a complete, monetizable video built entirely with free AI tools. So let's step back and look at what we accomplished. We started with an idea. We turned that idea into a script using AI. We generated consistent visuals to bring it to life. We added a professional voiceover without hiring a narrator. We layered in music, sound effects, subtitles, and transitions. We even animated key scenes for extra engagement. And finally, we exported in high resolution, ready to upload. This workflow checks every box for building faceless content that can grow a channel, attract an audience, and qualify for monetization. If you follow these steps, you'll realize you don't need expensive gear, professional studios, or a team of editors. All you need is creativity, persistence, and the willingness to experiment with the tools available. Whether you want to tell fictional stories like Aiden's, explain tutorials, or build motivational content, this method adapts to your niche. You're not just making videos, you're building skills, creating opportunities, and opening doors to a new kind of digital future. And that's the essence of this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next guide. And if you'd like me to break down the mobile version step by step, because yes, you can do most of this on a phone, drop the word mobile in the comments. If enough people ask, you'll dedicate an entire tutorial to that. Until then, start experimenting with these free AI tools, tell your stories, share your knowledge, and keep creating.